Hello 8th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson algebraic identities and the brain teasers, isn't it? Now coming to the third question of our brain teasers, the question is express the following as square of a binomial and evaluate for the given values. So express the following as the square of a binomial means what? It is just like the factorization method, isn't it? And evaluate means find the value of. Okay, now putting this x and y values, you have to find out the value of the full expression. Okay, now coming to the to find out the square of the binomial. So the question is this: 4x squared plus 12xy plus 9y squared. So the first and the last terms, see whether they are in the squares. Yes. So you will be writing 4x squared can be written as 2x the whole square, isn't it? Plus, put the bracket in between, and the last one, 9y squared can be written as 3y the whole square, isn't it? And now write the middle term, that is this is a plus b the whole square, that is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. It comes in that. So it will be 2 into, first is 2x and the last term is 3y. So now check whether it is coming up to 12xy. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12xy. 12xy. So this is in the form a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So which identity? A plus b the whole square. So it became 2x plus 3y the whole square. So they have told express the following as the square of a binomial. So you got the answer. It is 2x plus 3y the whole square. Now evaluate. So for that write 2x plus 3y the whole square is equal to, now put the value. What is it? X is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 2. So square bracket open, 2 into, what is the value of x? Minus 2 plus 3y. 3 into y is 2 and square bracket the whole square. Now it is a 2 into minus 2 will be minus 4 plus 3 2s are 6. It became plus 6 the whole square. Now minus 4 plus 6 means what? The different signs and a subtract. So find the difference. It will be 2. 2 square. 2 squared is how much? 4. So the value for the evaluate. So the value of this expression will be 4. Okay. Hope everyone understood. So first factorize and then you put the values and find the value. Okay. Now coming to the second question. 4 by 25 m squared minus mn plus 25 by 16 n squared. So this you can write it as first and last terms. See whether they can be written as the squares. Yes. 4 किसका square है? 2. 25 किसका square है? 5. And m the whole square. Now here it is minus, bracket open, keep it like this, and last term is 25 by 16 n squared. 25 किसका है? 5 और 16 4 n the whole square. Now put the values in between. That is 2 into, first term is 2 by 5m and the last term is 5 by 4n. That is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay. Now 5 gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 and 2 gets cancelled. That is minus mn. Minus mn. So now it is a minus b the whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So a is what? 2 by 5 and minus b is 5 by 4 and the whole squared. This is the binomial what we got. Okay, now evaluate. For evaluate you have to write the question 5 by 4 and the whole square. Now put the value. Square bracket open and round bracket 2 by 5 into m. What is the value? 5 minus bracket open 5 by 4 into n is how much? 8. Now bracket close, square bracket and the whole square. Now 5 gets cancelled. 4 ones are 4 twos are 8. Now here what's remaining? It is a 2 minus 5 twos are 10 the whole square. Now it is a 2 minus 10. Different signs. So subtract. You find the difference. It will be minus 8 the whole square. That is a minus square becomes plus 8 squared is 64. So answer is 64. Understood everyone? That is first and second questions. Now coming to the third question we finished. Now it is a fourth question. Simplify. The question is simplify the following. So a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square. Now open the identity. So a plus b the whole square. Put it within the square bracket. A square plus 2ab plus b square plus bracket open a squared. A minus b the whole squared will be a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Now this is plus. So the signs will be same. So directly you can do. It is a 2ab minus 2ab. They get cancelled. It will be a squared. That is 2a squared plus b squared 2b squared. Now 2 is common. Take it out. A squared plus b squared. So final answer is 2 bracket open a squared plus b squared. Okay. You can keep it like this also, but 2 is common, so that is why. Take it out. Okay, now coming to the second question. 3x plus 7y the whole square minus 3x minus 7y the whole square. Like the earlier, same you have to do. So, square bracket open, 3x, a plus b the whole square, isn't it? 3x the whole square plus 2 into 3x a into b, that is 7y plus b squared is 7y the whole square. Now minus, this is a minus b the whole square is equal to a square, that is 3x the whole square minus 2ab minus bracket open 2 into 3x into 7y 2ab plus b squared, that is 7y the whole square, and bracket close. Now open the bracket and find the values and open the bracket, because here it is minus. So the signs inside it will be opposite. Now 3x the whole square. It will be how much? 3 3s are 9 x squared. Now here it is plus. Put the sign. 2 3s are 6. 6 7s are 42 xy. Sign is plus. 7 7s are 7 square is 49 y squared. Now minus of plus is minus. 3 square is 9 x squared. Now minus of minus will be plus. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 6 7s are 42 xy. Now minus of plus is minus. 7 square is 49 and y square. Hope everyone is understanding. Okay, now see, 9x squared minus 9x squared gets cancelled. Now 49y squared minus 49y squared get cancelled. Now what's remaining? 42xy, 42xy. 42 plus 42 is 84xy. That is the final answer. Understood? Now coming to the third sum. So put the identities. Then you solve it. Now this is a plus b plus c the whole square. That identity, isn't it? So open. It is a squared. It is 6a the whole squared. B squared. 5b the whole squared. C squared. 4c the whole squared. Plus 2ab. 2 into a is 6a. B is 5b. Plus 2bc. 2 into 5b into 4c. Plus now 2ca. 2 into c is 4c into a, 6a, bracket close. Now the sign is minus. Now open this. Again the same. It is a squared, 6a squared, b squared, minus 5b the whole squared, c squared, minus 4c the whole squared, plus 2ab. 2 into a is 6a, b is minus 5b, plus 2bc. 2 into b is minus 5b, c is minus 4c, plus now 2ca. c is minus 4c, a is 6a. Square bracket close. Now find the value and open the bracket. Now 6 square is 36, a square. This is plus 5 squared is 25, b square. 4 square is 16c square. Now 2 5s are 10, 10 6s are 60 plus 60 AB. Now this is plus 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 40 BC. Now again it is plus 2 4s are 8, 8 6s are 48 CA or AC, isn't it? Okay. Now minus second expression का, so minus again it is a 6 square 36a square. Now minus of plus is minus, sorry, minus of, okay, we will open the bracket later on because you will find it difficult. So this becomes minus 5 square will be how much? Plus 25b square. Now here minus 4 square will be plus 16 square. Okay. Now here it will be minus, isn't it? Because 1 minus is there, minus 2 5s are 10, 10 6s are 60 AB. Now here 2 minus are there, so it will become plus 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 40 BC. Now here 1 minus is there, so minus 2 4s are 8, 8 6s are 48 CA. Bracket close. Okay. Now open the bracket. So सेकेंड का जो भी ब्रैकेट के अंदर है उसका साइन सब ऑपोजिट होने वाला है. तो लिखो फर्स्ट वन का एज इट इज 36a स्क्वायर प्लस 25b स्क्वायर प्लस 16c स्क्वायर प्लस 60ab प्लस 40bc प्लस 48ca. तो ये फर्स्ट का जैसा है वैसे ही लिखने का. अभी सेकेंड का साइन चेंज करो. माइनस प्लस माइनस 36a स्क्वायर. ऐसे ही बड़ा जब रहता है ना ऐसे वाला, उसके नीचे नीचे आने के वैसे ही लिखो. इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू. नाउ माइनस ऑफ प्लस माइनस 25b स्क्वायर माइनस ऑफ प्लस माइनस 16c स्क्वायर. Now minus of minus plus 60ab minus of plus minus 40bc minus of minus plus 48ca. Hope everyone is understanding. So इधर उसका वैल्यू निकालने का और नेक्स्ट स्टेप में द ब्रैकेट ओपन करने का. माइनस है इसके लिए ब्रैकेट ओपन करने के वक्त सेकेंड का जो भी है सब साइंस ऑपोजिट होने वाला है. अभी मैं बोल रही हूँ एक के नीचे एक ऐसे लिखो तो इजी पड़ेगा आप लोगों को. बड़ा भी है इसके लिए. नाउ कैंसलेशन. 36a स्क्वायर माइनस 36a स्क्वायर गेट कैंसल्ड. 25b स्क्वायर माइनस 25b स्क्वायर गेट कैंसल्ड. 16c square minus 16c square get cancelled. Now plus 60 plus 60. 60 plus 60 120 AB. Now plus 40 minus 40 BC get cancelled. This becomes plus 48 48. So 8 plus 8 16 1. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9, CA or AC. So it is 120 AB plus 96 CA or AC. Understood everyone? So this was about the question number 4, third subdivision. Okay. Now coming to the fourth subdivision. It is simplified, isn't it? So a squared minus b squared, bracket open, a squared plus b squared. So ये कौन सा बनेगा? a plus b, a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. ये वाला है ना? So इधर a is equal to a squared, b is equal to b squared. हम ऐसे लें इनका. अभी ये क्या बना? a squared माइनस बी स्क्वायर लिखने का. सो a is a squared, b is b squared. सो इसका बनेगा द होल स्क्वायर, a squared माइनस बी स्क्वायर, है ना? a squared माइनस बी स्क्वायर. a स्क्वायर के जगह में a स्क्वायर, a के जगह में a स्क्वायर और b के जगह में b स्क्वायर. नाउ दिस वन विल बी. सो ये इसको सिंप्लीफाई किए हम. अभी ये कौन सा वाला? a माइनस बी द होल स्क्वायर, a माइनस बी द होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर. लेकिन इधर a आया a स्क्वायर, b आया b स्क्वायर. सो ब्रैकेट ओपन, a is a squared the whole square. a squared के जगह में a squared the whole square minus 2ab. 2 into a is a squared, b is b squared plus b squared. b squared के जगह में आएगा b squared the whole square. थोड़ा संभालो क्योंकि a के जगह में a स्क्वायर, b के जगह में b स्क्वायर डालने का है. एंड नाउ व्हाट इट विल बी? a स्क्वायर द होल स्क्वायर विल बी a टू द पावर 4. b स्क्वायर द होल स्क्वायर विल बी b टू द पावर 4. तो ये इतना आया. अभी इसको ओपन करो, माइनस ऑफ प्लस, ब्रैकेट ओपन करो, तो तभी बना माइनस a to the power a square the whole square is a to the power 4. Minus of minus becomes plus. Now 2a squared b squared, 2a squared b squared, है ना? अभी minus of plus becomes what? Minus. Minus of plus becomes minus b to the power 4. Are we understanding? So open the bracket. During that time the signs will get opposite. So now a to the power 4 minus a to the power 4 get cancelled. Now what's remaining? Minus b to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 means they don't get cancelled. Minus 2b to the power 4. Now here it will be plus 2a squared b squared. So it is minus 2b to the power 4 plus 2a squared b squared. So this is the final answer. So we have completed up to 4th question. Hope everyone understood till here. Little bit confusing because of the squares and all. So according to the method you go, and if you are having any confusion, write it. A is what, B is what, which type of identity you are using, that you write it in the rough column and then proceed. Okay. Bye. Thank you.